Hey everyone, the numbers are in for Splash in Panama City for the second quarter of 2025. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. In the middle of a new computer setup here, so sorry for the sterile, blurry look a little bit, but I wanted to get this information out. A couple things. Let's look at pricing and what's sold. It's a good place to start. This is short and sweet. I have this organized by just the second quarter of this year. There are only 2 sales in Splash in all of the second quarter of 2025. We had a 1-bedroom, 2-bath sell for $400,000 on May 2nd, and we had a 2-2 sell for $475,000 on June 23rd. That's it. When we look at the market overall, we look at this Gulfront market months of inventory number. This year we're at 19 in the month of June. June of last year we were at 6. Remember, the higher the number, the slower the market, the worse it is for sellers. The higher the number, the better it is for buyers. So we're very, very much into buyer market territory right now. Pretty extreme buyer market. You can see that by only 2 sales in the whole second quarter. And the reason we really pay attention to that is look at what happens with price. June of last year, the median sales price for a condo in Panama City Beach was $526,000. This year it's $473,000. Last year the average sales price was $558,000. This year it's $468,000. So substantial depreciation in the last year in the Gulfront condo market. As long as that number, the months of inventory number, continues to move up, that puts a lot of pressure on pricing. I don't see anything that causes me to think we're going to change that anytime soon. One last chart to share with you. This is what our showing activity looks like in Florida generally. We're the orange line for this year. You can see that in past years, we will have already had the most amount of buyers out at any given time. And from here, we have fewer and fewer buyers throughout the year. It doesn't mean we don't sell a condo throughout the rest of the year, but a lot of times the market can slow down as you go later in the year. The Gulfront condo market's a little different. People are asking me, hey, is now a good time to sell? Or I'm thinking about selling, should I put it on the market now? There is usually another run of buyers that come out into the market looking to buy, making offers late August, around Labor Day, through about middle of November. These buyers either really enjoyed their stay at the beach this year or have been thinking about it a lot and finally decided to make a move. They think sellers are a little more negotiable in the off season. Sometimes they can be. And some buyers are already thinking about next year. So if you are thinking about selling in 2025, yes, starting that process now. It can take some time to get in touch with a real estate office, schedule photography, videography shoots between rentals, getting a good weather day, all those things. So if you are selling in 2025, yes, think about that sooner rather than later. And especially if you're worried about this, if you think this may still be going up, it's been trending up pretty hard for a few years now, which means it can put further pressure on pricing. So it's either, hey, get in and sell before we lose too much more on paper, or dig in and it could be a few years before we get through all this. There are a lot of good things coming to Panama City Beach, the hospital probably being the anchor to all that. So I think long-term PCB is going to be a very great place to invest. In the meantime, though, the Gulfront condo market could have even more price depreciation before we find a bottom and then settle down and start to climb in the other direction. Last time we saw that, it took us, almost until 2022 from the 2008-2009 correction. So be ready for that if you own. If you have any specific questions about your situation, give me a call, shoot me a text, 850-290-0417. Thanks for watching.